It's the best, hands down.
It's crystal clear.
I love it. The things you can make are awesome.
No one else has quality epoxy like this.
It's easy to mix.
Tim is such a wealth of knowledge.
It's gotta be iCoat.
Welcome to the Resin Mastery Podcast, exploring iCoat epoxy. Hi, this is a snap episode of Resin Mastery. My name's Ian Faith. I'm coming to you from the iCoat studios. And today I want to talk to you about the tariffs and assure you as iCoat customers that it's not going to have an effect on you because everything we deliver to you is made here in the United States of America. For our Canadian customers and for our overseas customers who we deal with, we'll work with you best we can to try and avoid any of the tariff hits that may happen. So, you can call into the office and have a chat with the team, but, we're going to take care of our people because they've always taken care of us as well. So, you got to look at what's happening. These tariffs are who knows how long they're going to last. They could be around for a short amount of time. They could be long term, and there could be some that actually stick for certain countries for longer. I actually think from what I'm hearing that for our Canadian customers, there's not really going to be much of a long-term effect. And because we're such close trading partners, that's going to be solved pretty quickly. So all of these impacted tariffs are hurting companies and people who are doing floral preservation who get their product from cheaper suppliers generally. They're from India, they're from China, who've got huge tariffs being hit on them right now. And what that's going to mean for them long term, it's going to be an issue. So they're going to see effect on the supply chain that's going to make it unstable, undependable, and the prices are just going to be, they're going to be going up. There's just no way you can stop that for those people. Not at iCoat. All of our product will remain the same pricing. And again, I just want to reassure everyone on that. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the office. But for anyone who is listening to this, who uses a supplier that's not iCoat and listens because they love the feedback and they love the tips that Rachel and I deliver on the show, try the product. Try how fast you get the product, the quality of what it comes at. And we've got some exciting news coming up in the next couple of months. There's going to be something really special released that's going to change the floral preservation world in a huge way. So, as I say, from Tim actually made a quote saying, iCoat manufactures all of its product here in the United States. Our supply chain remains strong, stable, and completely unaffected by the current and future tariff. And he said our customers can count on the same premium quality and consistent pricing that they always have with no surprises. And we want to thank our customers very much for being there for us and us being there for them. So as I say, this is a really quick episode just to assure you that nothing's changing in our world, that people have been calling in wondering about it, but we just assure them everything we make, everything we get is produced from scratch all the way to that preservation here in the United States. And with our brothers and sisters up in Canada, as I say, I think that one's going to go away quicker than most of the other tariffs around the world. So rest assured that you can actually get your same quality, great epoxy from us with no worries. So until next time, real special episode coming up next week on Resin Mastery. And any questions, just reach out at iCoatproducts.com. Take care, and we will see you again soon.